Now I'm going to show you what it looks like. So here I have my desktop, and I'm going to connect the dots between map drives on a file server, that look and feel versus what the user sees when they have the equivalent of map drives inside of Microsoft 365. So here I've got an example, which would be like the sales folder on a file server. So here's the S drive, and inside of the sales, the S drive here, I've got some subfolders, and I've got just some files on the root folder. So I'm going to be zeroing in on the root, the equivalent of what would be the root folder and storing things on the root folder, and the equivalent of creating a subfolder inside of Microsoft 365. You can see on the left here, I've got sales-general and sales-proposals. This is the sales team inside of Microsoft Team and the general channel. This is the sales team inside of Microsoft Teams and the proposals channel. So before I go further into this, let me go into Teams. And right here, I have a team called sales. And whenever we create a team inside of Microsoft Teams, we always get a general channel. And we have a files tab right up here. And here's all the files and folders that are in that files channel. And we also have a proposals channel. And if I go click on there, it will also have its own files tab and all the files and folders that are in the proposals channel. Now going back over here, you can see I have sales general and sales proposals. Sales team, general channel, sales team, proposals channel, because each channel gets a files tab. And where this goes is when I go back into Teams and I create this team and I have the general channel and I add a proposals channel, and they each have their own files tab. So you can think of this as subfolders if you want to create those. But when I go over into, and I'm in the files tab, and when I go over here and I go add shortcut to OneDrive, we don't use sync anymore, add shortcut to OneDrive, this is the way to do it. What happens is that this now gets populated inside of OneDrive. So if I go over to OneDrive, and in here, if I scroll down, you can see I have sales general and sales proposals. They're inside of my OneDrive account, which is very handy. So wherever I connect into OneDrive, I'm going to see this link. And you can see it also has these little chain link icons. Those little chain link icons, those are the modern equivalent of map drives inside of Microsoft 365. And once I have these chain link icons here, I can right click on this and I can choose to add to quick access, which I've done over here. And it looks just like map drives for the user. And the user can even choose to rename these if they want to something that's more user friendly. If they just want to call this sales and remove the dash general, they can do it. If they just want to call this proposals, they can do it. Now, this link follows this user whenever they connect into OneDrive.